Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to set up a fingerprint on your laptop. To do it, first tap on the Start button, then go to Settings, then select Accounts, select Sign In Options right here, and then go to Fingerprint Recognition and select Setup. And once you're ready, select Get Started. Let's verify. And right now we'll have to touch the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here below your keyboard. So just place your finger on the spot and keep touching it until this fingerprint image is filled. Okay, so right now let's close. Let's try to lock our PC in order to check it out. Okay, so now that it's locked, let me place the finger on this on a on a fingerprint reader, and as you can see, it went very smoothly. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.